Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Take what resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and get rid of it. Don't hold on it. Hold on to it. Stress yourself out, make yourself sick. Next thing you know, you're in the hospital. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. Energy is fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine, it could be a feminine energy. What you got going on? Hopefully you guys had a wonderful holiday. Had a wonderful weekend. It looks like somebody on the other side misses you guys. Is what it looks like here. A passed over loved one is missing you. Or you're missing a passed over loved one or something like that. Clarify this, I miss you. Oh, my condolences. What's going on with this? I miss you. Hmm. I miss you. What's going on? I miss you. Hmm. What is this I miss you about? There's an energy of somebody wanting you to be happy. I see joy. I'm seeing for you to accept who you are. Accept who you are. There's an energy of joy here. And I'm also seeing an energy of unbothered. But you also have someone here that says no fucks given. You have somebody in your energy that has been in your energy for quite a while. It's like there's an energy, somebody's in your energy that has been waiting for you to leave someone alone. Somebody been waiting for you to break up with someone or sever ties with someone. This could be in a spirit. This could be in a physical or something like that. I don't know. Maybe somebody. I don't know. Maybe someone has been very not very kind with their words. Verbally abusive, verbally manipulative. Um, I'm seeing you in this energy of being unbothered, though. There's an energy of being unbothered, and I'm seeing a joy, an energy of joy here. Clarify, waited for you for years. I waited for you for years. What is that about? I waited for you for years. It's coming out as present energy. Union, waited for you for years. What's going on? Release. Yeah, it's talking about the present energy. There's an energy of abundance here, you guys. There's an energy of gratefulness, gratitude. There's an energy of somebody looking out into like the horizon, thinking about the future or fantasizing about a future with you guys. I'm gonna be honest, wanting to be in some sort of union with you, but I'm also seeing an energy of release here, possibly needing to release someone or something. I'm seeing an energy of having to surrender. I'm seeing a lot of emotion, a lot of water here. I'm seeing an energy of dreams may be significant as well. I'm seeing someone possibly have been receiving like dreams in regards to celebration or abundance or something like that. Clarify unbothered. Look what came out. Dreams, messages, which is clarifying unbothered. Wait a minute. Clarify unbothered, please, Spirit. Unbothered. What's going on? Deception. One more. On guard. There's the energy of you being guarded. Okay, so clarifying someone waiting for years is almost like, again, I'm seeing a present energy of abundance. So you guys might be in a present energy of abundance, and this person is possibly trying to manifest you into their energy. I'm seeing again, there's a lot of emotion here. I don't know if somebody has been crying or something like that. I'm seeing that there is an energy of release, purge. Okay, so this may be someone that you may have severed ties with. Now, with this, I miss you. I said if it came off as someone on the other side, like someone passed away, and I said my condolences. I'm also seeing this could be somebody just simply from the past. Okay, like this person might be someone that you may have like shed tears over, possibly mourn the ending of like a contract or a cycle with this person, and due to their deceptive ways. And it seems like you may have been getting messages in your dreams, and that's showing presently. I'm showing you in this energy of being unbothered about by what they've been waiting for, what they want from you. There's energy you focusing on yourself. There's the energy of you guys being guarded. Yeah, I'm seeing you guys standing in your power. There's energy of truth here. Maybe you want this person to speak some sort of truth, be held accountable or something, because I'm seeing you in this energy of being detached and cold, unbothered, is what I'm saying. Yep. It seems like you went through a like a complete transformation. Somebody might have just went through like a dark night of the soul. Look, rebirth. Didn't I say a complete transformation? Mm-hmm. Accept who you are. What's going on? Accept who you are. All right. Twin might be significant. Soulmate energy, something like that. Accept who you are. All right. I'm seeing energy you receiving assistance by your spirit guides, especially when it comes to some sort of soul ties. This person, somebody wants to reunite. Mm. Look, there's the energy of someone going through karma. All right. Things are being balanced out. It look like things are working in your favor. Like I said, I feel like this person might have been verbally like abusive, manipulative, or something like that. All right. Masculine is coming out. And I'm seeing confusions, illusions. All right, like you guys took off some sort of rose-colored glasses, and this is you guys in this energy of joy. All right, happiness, bliss. Let's go ahead and grab the tarot, and I'm also showing at the bottom of the deck. You knowing your self-worth, having higher expectations for yourself, and somebody waiting for you. You're looking off. This is you in the present energy, looking off into the distant horizon, focusing on your abundance. All right, and it's like an energy of somebody not liking it. And it's funny how this energy, again, like I said, this might not be someone that passed away, but they coming up as someone that has passed away. All right. Place it whatever way it needs to be placed. All right. Now got this present energy of gratitude. All right. So I'm definitely seeing an energy of someone being left out in the cold, possibly at one point of time felt left out in the cold, especially when it comes to a connection where someone pursued you. I'm seeing a fire sign could be significant, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, and I'm seeing an energy of you being, I'm seeing victory. All right. It's like I'm seeing an energy of, you know, you guys getting together. That's what I'm seeing here. But I'm also seeing an energy of judgment being called. Yeah, with this chariot card, it's talking about you overcoming some sort of obstacles as well. But again, this person approached you, and I'm seeing an energy of you being left out cold. I'm also showing that there is an energy of financial problems or something like that is in the mix here. But it's like an energy of after accepting some sort of offer, it's like you felt like you were stuck in the middle. There was an energy of feeling like you're at some sort of crossroads, like having to make some sort of choice when dealing with this person. Like, are you going to stay or go? Even while still being in a connection, is what I'm saying here. And judgment being called, it looked like may have been some sort of awakening or something being revealed to you. Let's go ahead and move it forward. Clarify these messages and dreams. Clarify the messages and dreams. It may have been your ancestors again, because with this I miss you, you may have been receiving dreams, and you may have been seeing your ancestors relay messages and things like that. I'm also showing that there's a King of Cups energy out here. Pisces can be significant. Yeah, with the Six of Pentacles, it's like an energy you're receiving some sort of assistance. You're receiving some help. Hmm. And you can have water in your chart, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but with the Two of Wands, I'm seeing them letting you know that you have a choice that you need to make. And I see an energy of someone going into isolation. There's an energy of going into hermit, going within, I guess, to decipher what is it that you need to know. Someone is I want to say now. Someone is now um deciphering or paying attention to their dreams, or have been paying attention to their dreams. All right, let's go and clarify this twin flame energy and soul tie. Okay, clarify this twin flame energy. Accept who you are. Clarify this twin flame energy. I'm seeing at the bottom of the deck there's an energy of fussing. Okay, conflict, confusion. What's going on with this twin flame energy? I'm seeing you guys receive good news with this Page of Pentacles. I'm seeing that you're receiving news, especially when it comes to finances. I'm seeing that there's an energy of juggling energies, juggling financially. And with this Six of Wands, there's an energy of you having the advantage, you overcoming some sort of obstacle. We have Archangel Michael here, especially when it comes to some sort of destruction or some sort of confusion here. Yeah, because with this Eight of Wands, there's almost like an energy of it was a buildup, or something was building up, or something has built up. Is what I'm seeing here, and someone finally walking away with the Six of Swords. There's an energy of you being moved to calmer waters. I'm speaking to a high priestess, someone that listens to or being guided by their intuition to take a leap of faith in a different direction with this Fool card. It seems like you may have been entertaining someone that was emotionally childish or something like that. With this Page of Cups is also an energy of intuition. You listening or following your intuition, your inner voice, and closing out a cycle, because I'm seeing an energy of a closing of a contract, a closing of some sort of cycle of whoever this person is, or these people are, and you being in this energy of joy and this energy of knowing your self-worth, having high expectation. And I'm also showing for closing of this cycle with someone that may have backstabbed you, betrayed you, spoke ill about you as well behind your back and things like that with this Ten of Swords. I mean, yeah, with this Ten of Swords. That's what I'm saying here. Y'all have a good one. Can't keep going back to what I used to know.